Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. Hi, I am Apurvi. Today we are making apple sauce. It is an easy recipe that has a harmonious balance of sweet and tart, with apple taking the center stage. It's a versatile recipe that can be used in baked goods, pancake, or over ice cream. Let's begin. First, begin with peeling and chopping apple to small cube size. Here I have with me 300 gram of chopped apple. Transfer to a heavy bottom pan to avoid getting the sauce burned. To this add 60 gram of castor sugar. Adjust the amount to your sweetness of your apple. 60 ml of water. Keep it over medium heat. Add 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice. It will preserve color, enhance flavor, extend shelf life and naturally help in thickening process. Give it a light stir to mix everything, then let it come to a simmer. Then cover the pan and let it cook on low flame for about 15 minutes until they are soft and tender so that they can be easily mashed. Keep stirring in between occasionally. You can add cinnamon here if you want, but I'm keeping it simple so that I can use in variety of desserts. Like my video if you enjoy it, subscribe to my channel, also turn on the bell icon to get notified. Once the apple are cooked, remove the pan from heat and let it cool down before you mash it. Use a fork or a potato masher or an electric blender. I'm using a fork to mash my cooked apples. Mash it according to the consistency you want. Taste it and adjust the sweetness if needed. The heat from apple will help in dissolve your sugar if you added more. You can also sieve it or blend it to get a smoother consistency, but I'll keep it to this consistency. It will work great with cakes or bars. Allow the sauce to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Do try this recipe at home and connect with me through comment section and social media. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.